Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Nvidia control panel not opening on your laptop. This is super common problem and I will explain everything in simple terms. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R, then type service.msc, then hit enter. Scroll down until you find Nvidia display contain ls Nvidia local system container. Right click on and right click each one and select restart. This fixes the control panel not opening in many cases. Next, your drive might be outdated. Open the Nvidia app, go to the drivers tab and check for the update, then download the newest drive. Once installed, try again the control panel opening by right clicking on your desktop. If nothing works, do a clean reinstall. Open the Nvidia app, go to drive, click reinstall and check the optional performance. A clean installation. This reset all Nvidia setting and corrupted file causing the issue. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.